I could solve the Rubik's Cube. Now, I know this is a crappy cube, as in like, it's a Rubik's brand. So it makes loud noises. I want to get a speed cube. My dad said I might get one day, but I don't really know. But I can guarantee you I can solve it. 3, 2, 1. Do this, okay. It's just gonna be me solving it. I'm working on my next animation. It should be done by the end of the week. It should be done. Sorry, my camera's pretty crappy. I'm using an iPad. Yeah, so my animation should be done pretty soon. I solved the cube really slow because my hands aren't physically capable of moving at the speed of sound. Because, have you seen those people who can solve it in like a few seconds? Yeah, I can't do that. I don't know how they do it. Like, even with a speed cube, I can't do it in under a minute. Sorry, the cube is kind of bad. Okay. The view is kind of bad. Wait. Okay. Alright. Almost done. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I'm almost done. Alright, let's see. This is correct. Correct. Not correct. Not correct. 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 And correct. Almost done. Bam. Did it. That took like 3 minutes around that time. It takes me a little while to solve it. This video is irrelevant. Yeah. I'm average. Like I could solve it. Can't solve it under a minute. It takes me probably 2 minutes and 30 seconds tops. Oh, the quickest time. So yeah, if any of you guys can solve it, let me know how fast you can solve it. Peace.